A new channeling topics. Wave 6, harmonic realignment. 6th round of fresh themes for long-form channelings, 12 to 15K, blending Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding frames, and numerology keys. Emojis included, no questions inside the texts. Ask for any with Demuno plus number. No Wafia, 121. Quantum courage. Microacts that rewire fate. Focus. Install tiny daily bravery to unlock new probability lanes. Angles to weave. PNL micro commitments. Breath pause. 1 leadership numerology. Fear to action loop. Gratitude trophies. Darikos. 122. Blue flame negotiation. Clear terms. Soft heart. Focus. Make aligned agreements without collapse or aggression. Angles to weave. 4 gates of speech, scope vows, consent check-ins, 2 partnership code, repair windows. 123. Temple operations. SOPs as sacred practice. Focus. Turn systems into serenity and service. Angles to weave. Ritualized checklists, 4 structure numerology, closure rites, value flow maps, Sabbath buffers. 124. Mantra made content. Copy as chant. Focus. Let writing ride breath and rhythm to transmit coherence. Angles to weave. 5-5 breath cadence, mirror declarations, 11 inspiration code, altar drafting, public blessing. Bar. 125. Breath-led sales. Selling without strain. Focus. Pace calls by respiration and consent, not pressure. Angles to weave. Inhale, exhale mirroring, yes, no, maybe maps. 8 reciprocity numerology, debrief ritual, refund grace. Down to 126. Family boundaries. Love without leaks. Focus. Keep lineage love while sealing energy. Angles to weave. Loyalty biodecoding. Doorframe breath. Boundary scripts. 6 care numerology. Holiday liturgy. 127. Purity of motive. Clean intentionality. Focus. Align want, word, and work. Angles to weave. Motive audit. Confession rites. 3 joy numerology. Archer meditation. Integrity ledger. Vegger 128. Launch numerology. Rhythm of 13589. Focus. Time releases with number signatures. Angles to weave. Day selection, portal overlays, rest weeks, 22 builder code for infrastructure, post-launch afterglow. DUR. 129. Energetic refunds, reclaiming scattered power. Focus. Call back your field from old places and pacts. Angles to weave. Name reclamation, chord rewrite, object return right, 9 closure numerology, water bowl discharge. 130. Field casting. Broadcasting coherence without noise. Focus. Let presence, not push, carry your message. Angles to weave. Attention hygiene, silence pockets, PNL state stack, 7 coherence code, soft CTA ceremony. Dayundar 131. Joy discipline. Play as a system. Focus. Schedule delight as non-negotiable fuel. Angles to weave. Joy ledger, microdates, 3 joy numerology. Accountability buddy, celebration bells. Darayura 132. Money detox. A 7-day reset. Focus. Clear shame, hype, and scarcity residues. Angles to weave. Spending fast, gratitude tithes, price honesty. 8 stewardship numerology, forgiveness ledger. Bararos 133. The listener's path. Receiving as mastery. Focus. Hear self, source, and others with accuracy. Angles to weave. Breath before reply, reflective mirroring, silence vow, 7 discernment code, altar of ears. 134. Sacred humor for leaders. Light without mockery. Focus. Use laughter to regulate and unite. Angles to weave. Joy triggers, clown dose rituals, apology repair. 5 adaptability numerology. Story softening. 135. Evening liturgy. Closing the day with grace. Focus. Seal the field before sleep to multiply clarity. Angles to weave. T-Vigil, Device Exile, Gratitude Inc., 90-minute cycles, Dream Inc. portal. 136. The Gentle Yes. Commitments that don't crush. Focus. Say yes from capacity, not pressure. Angles to weave. Scope boundaries, buffer days, calendar pruning, 10 reset numerology, renegotiation scripts. DVAGs, 137. Integrity backups. Fail-safes for values. Focus. Design catches that protect what matters when you're tired. Angles to weave. Default refunds, pause vows, repair windows, force structure numerology, buddy audits. BAPA, 138. Ceremony of tools. Objects as allies. Focus. Consecrate the instruments of your craft. Angles to weave. Blessing cards. Naming rights. 11 inspiration numerology. Maintenance Sabbaths. Gratitude polish. 139. Digital pilgrimage. Courses as sacred journeys. Focus. Architect programs like Pilgrim Paths. Angles to weave. Threshold rites, waystations, repair hosts, 22 builder numerology, archive shrines. Dagro. Wonder 40. Sovereign dating. Romance with boundaries. Focus. Open heart, clear agreements, slow reveals. Angles to weave. Consent gates, pace vows, 2 partnership numerology, repair scripts, post-date altar. Geisco 141. Guardian archetypes. Patron lights for projects. Focus. Work with protective virtues without bypass. Angles to weave. Naming guardians. Ethics of ask. 4 structure numerology. Accountability letters. Release thanks. 142. Cash flow rivers. Finance as flow art. Focus. Design channels that feel clean and calm. Angles to weave. Envelope altars. 8 reciprocity numerology. Value ladders. Slow money vows. Thank you notes. Durga. 143. Sanctuary schedule. Calendar as temple. Focus. Arrange time to protect peace and power. Angles to weave. Feast Bok fast blocks. Sabbath walls. 7-minute resets. 4 structure numerology. Afterglow buffers. 144. Code of the open hand. Generosity with boundaries. Focus. Give clearly, receive cleanly, decline kindly. Angles to weave. Gift tiers. Unsub blessings. Refund grace. 8 stewardship numerology. Gratitude closures. Das. Usage note. Request any item with Gate. Dame Uno plus number. Delivery in English. With emojis. Arcturian. Buddhist Christ consciousness. Unity wisdom. PNL. Biodecoding. Numerology. Real life stories, techniques, and simple rituals.